dey illegal if you carry your motor put for road when you no get enough insurance. Everybody wey get motor must to get third-party insurance. If you get accident for road, third-party insurance na wetin go cover person wey you jam. Dis message na from the National Insurance Commission, NAICOM, for better insurance industry for we Nigeria.
My name is Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwafito looking horses 1805. You see your hotness living. We don't show. I know say some of now they wonder say last week Wednesday we no hear your voice for radio. I tire. You know say that last week Wednesday just the following week after the 2023 Almond Insurance Industry Award, and body no be firewood, so I just decided to stay for house to rest my bones from all the wahala, all the stress of the award. But we don't show today. Those of una way they always follow us on top the program before the award proper. That was Friday or 3rd of November. You know, say we bring some strong men come studio where they don't unveil the nominees. Then one of them I joined us this morning, Oga Uche. Abi don be professor sef, I no know. Uche na my fellow colleague, journalist with Sun newspaper, and I dey in charge of insurance for Sun newspaper. You don show inside studio this morning. We wan touch, like, go just talk about those wey eventually we know, because he said he did the award from beginning to the end. The kokoroko na him dey there, follow themselves group for the after party. Go just touch light one or two things, then we go also touch light one of the trending issue for the insurance industry right now. Yoruba go say lower buy. The issue is trending, so we go still touch light that one. Okay, this morning I don't talk say we want touch light one of the trending issue for the insurance industry right now. They trend because everybody they talk about down at the directive abi instruction wey their regulator don give, say all insurance companies, you must to publish the names of people where you have not settled their claims in the newspaper. You have to publish it. This issue now, so MD cannot sleep. MD of insurance company, they know they fit sleep. If they just sleep small, they just remember say, hey, you have to publish the name of all the people who have not paid their claim. They will just jump up, hey, hey, because not be small something. But before we go get to that trendy issue for the industry, okay, Uche, you did the awards. It surprised you the win. You know, say even me, I don't know what's up. Also say na only nominees as we come studio discuss them, I will know. But at the end of the day, for life insurance company of the year, NAICOM Insurance PLC, the clicker. Then for general insurance company of the year, AXA Mansa. What's your thoughts?
Well, as I said last time when I was here before the award night, their distinctive features and their performances, I think these are the foundations on which people voted them, you know. So all of them had a comparative advantage over one another. So I'm not surprised to see NAICOM. I'm not surprised to see Azamaza and NEM Insurance, you know, coming forward as winners of the award.
Okay, for NEM, their CEO,
who is now the chairman,
Mr. Tokpe Smart, now win CEO of the year.
Yes.
So a lot. So one, you know, say most time when they do awards, even the Grammys, even Oscars, after the award you go see those people where they play for that sector, but they say, why this person supposed to win, this person not supposed to win, this one supposed to win. But surprisingly, since the awards night, it's like the entire industry, including those who don't win, there's all the people that won in the different categories. No complaint, no say, oh, this person no supposed to win. Okay, so for general insurance of the year, a lot of people be expect say for that category, no say Leadway was nominated and all that. So a lot of people, but the panelists, they had other apart from the votes, their criteria. Own, yes, the other criteria. So that one come as shock to many people. Say,
You know, it's like a football match. You know, like Chelsea beat play 4-4 with Man City last week.
hey,
Yes,
so
now.
they,
But people thought that Chelsea will beat no, Man City will beat Chelsea. So surprises are there. It always occur, you know. And besides, remember, it is people who have one policy or the other. That voted. You know. So if you don't know anything about insurance, you will not have you will not have come in to say this person for win, this person for no win. And don't be surprised that some of the people who are pointing fingers at this person or that person, maybe they don't have anything to do insurance in this life. I'm telling you the truth. So it is the people who knows about it that ought to say. And I think it is a wake-up call for all of them to say, okay, we won, let us do it better.
Yes.
Or we didn't win, maybe let us sit up and look, see how we can. Because award is a proof, an evidence of you are doing something good.
Good, exactly.
And you know, from good you get to better and you strive for the best.
Okay, Uche, another thing where I can't notice, they say, you know, say for some other industries, the men say, and we talk this thing that time during the nomination where we dey studio, they do analysis. Sometimes the men say they nominate you is proof enough that you are doing something good, you're on the right track.
Yes.
Okay, so but we can notice, they say some even before the award itself, they don't look the category where they say on their own, they don't say, we no fit win.
Well,
they don't say we no fit win. So some don't look the category, say we dey take category with these people, never, we no go win. And those one can't do something where you see, say most of them say because they don't already judge, they don't call the result by themselves. Yes. We no fit win. They no bother to even come. They no bother to buy table.
I thought good. I was telling my colleagues that day, as if the people who were there, as if they knew that they were going to emerge. No, but it's good if you know your limitations, if you know your strengths and your weaknesses. It's good, and that will help you to work on those weaknesses. If you see yourself say, I don't think I can make it in this category.
Yes.
Telling yourself, that is the point of telling yourself the truth. You can be able to now say, okay, let us come up together and re-strategize. Because everybody, as far as insurance companies and industry is concerned, all of them are striving to get as much as market share.
Exactly.
Remember, we are still talking about 0.1%
penetration.
So they're all striving to get that is why they're coming up with different innovations. All of them, you know, coming up with InsurTech, all these new applications to make the whole process seamless, so that people who have this negative narration about the insurance company can come in. And of course, I know that insurance is not a scam. It's good. Even though the trust and the confidence quotient is very low. That is why NAICOM is coming up. But we are coming to that.
We are coming to that. Yeah. Okay, so last about the award there before we go the main topic we want to touch today. Okay, so for as I talk, no category really where it come so many as shock, say okay, this person they come the contest and say okay, this person no suppose win for this category. For Takafu company of the year, not Takafu took the award. Then for insurance broking company of the year, Skip took the award. A lot of people is like no even debate.
They are strong brands.
Yes, don't even debate. Skip as insurance broking company of the year. No even go there, because even in the market on their own, they know that they are number one.
Yes.
You know, in terms of size, in terms of volume of business and everything. So, and those were some of the criteria where the award panel of judges used, and where the voting itself also
and ability to keep your word, integrity.
Exactly.
Whatever you say you will do it and let it be, because they say what is worth doing is worth doing well. Yes, not Takafu and the Scrib insurance.
Skip.
Yeah, they are all there because on my own, from the sideline, I have heard some people saying it even before that day, that
Yes.
these two companies will merge.
We emerge as
I
winners.
think these are testimonials that we need to put out there, so
Exactly.
that people will know that really these people are really working.
And they are doing business.
Yes.
Okay, so last we get reinsurance CEO of the year.
Yeah.
Now a lot of people not really understand the fact say for reinsurance CEO of the year na the MD of Continental Re, Mr. Lawrence Nazari na win. So a lot of people come they ask questions, say, okay, what of Africa Re, what of Waika Re, what of, so we they try understand, make them understand, say, okay, so these awards is for insurance companies in operating in Nigeria. Okay, so we agree. Reinsurance business, they trans-regional, transnational sometimes, but you not take away from the fact say the likes of Continental Re, FBS Re, Nigeria Re, they are the reinsurance companies in Nigeria. Waika Re and Africa Re, even though Africa Re, for instance, they are headquartered in Nigeria, it's not a Nigerian company. It's not a Nigerian company. So now where a lot of people come, they say, how come now only Continental Re and the company CEO of the year, why not Waika Re? Waika Re, their head office is based in Sierra Leone, they are not here. Waika is the West Africa, and then Africa Re is not really a Nigerian company. As such, if say we put them for the same made they inside the award as with other Nigerian companies. Number one, National Insurance Commission, that's NAICOM, they know they audit Waika Re books.
Yeah.
They know they audit Africa Re books. So they are not. So now waiting, we try to understand, say, okay, so Adibi, we put all of them together. So now they argue, say, but insurance companies, their business is not really restricted to one geographical location and blah blah blah. But the fact still remains that supposing the data way they use, you cannot get the data of the financials of African Re from NAICOM.
Yes.
You cannot get the one from Waika Re from NAICOM.
Yeah.
So now the ones where they operate for Nigeria,
our own,
where they now then enter inside the competition of the award. And Mr. Lawrence Nazari, he come out as
and I don't think it's a crime.
Of course not. No, but I just need to because a lot of people just they wonder, say, where Africa Re, where Waika Re, the outcome is Continental Re. Not that they are not qualified or is not a strong company, but we just wanted to explain to people, say, okay, now the reason why now only Nigerian company, insurance companies now win. Then for the insurance lifetime achievers award, a lot of people to know this surprise. We get Wale Oshin, we get Oye Hassan Odukale, then we get Eddie Efekwa. For brokers, we get Amos Adeyeye, who be MD of Hog Robinson. We get Shola Tinubu, MD of Skip Nigeria Co Limited. Then we get Chief Babajide Agbeja. Okay, so somebody tell me, say, how come? Oh, funny enough, and even me, I don't think I'm deep like that.
That they will emerge?
No, not that they will emerge. Say they will emerge, but the person just draw my attention to something where I want to talk. I say the Insurance Life Achievers Award, the three of them, Wale Oshin, Oye Hassan Odukale, and Eddie Efekwa, they've all been chairman of the Nigerian Insurance Association. Which is true. Which my mind no go that one. Now the three people self were there for Insurance Brokers Life Achievers Award, except Mr. Amos Adeyeye. The other two, Chief Babajide Agbeja, Shola Tinubu, they've also been president of the Nigerian Council of Registered Insurance Brokers. So it just shows that the criteria where they use. Now people where apart from the companies that they are leading or they represent, their contribution also to the entire insurance industry over the years. Now waiting the yardstick where they take judge them. And interestingly enough,
pedigree must always speak now.
Of course.
What you have done in the past, all these things come to play. That is why it is good to, at any point in time, any opportunity you have to serve the people, to give your best.
Exactly.
either in the short or long run, it will pay.
Yeah, exactly.
It will speak for you.
Exactly.
Even when you must have forgotten.
Exactly.
So the history cannot be raised. So their good words are speaking for them.
Yeah.
And remember, they emerge this year doesn't mean that they must emerge next year.
Exactly. Of course, no.
So the young must grow.
Yes, the young must grow. Somebody that I will they should go. She said the young must grow because the old must die. Old people because they use bad eye. They look you. All right, so my people, I see they throw away plenty salutation. If you just join us, the program now waiting insurance. They do serve the correct program where they give you correct information. How you fit use insurance take arrange every of your paro wey dey reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. This morning I dey with my colleague Mr. Uche. Inside studio I will just dey touchlight one or two things onto the 2023 Almond Insurance Industry Award wey don happen on Friday, November 3rd for Queen's Park Event Center. We just dey touchlight those wey win and we see say everybody dey happy, everybody dey celebrate with those wey win. Nobody come dey argue say this person no suppose win because e mean say the award panel of judges they do justice. They do justice and they do correct work. Even some before the day of the award they no agree to buy table because they don already know say this category wey we do so there's no way we cannot win and they no come because they don't know say for their mind they win. Award rara kama bother, they no bother and it's okay. All right, Uche, make we port to next year. As we don't talk now, next year the 2024 award is loading. Some people say the part of the reason when the nomination open, some just take as I beg. Now last minute they come dey rush and nomination don close. So next year 2024 on by the grace of Almighty God, once nomination open, make sure say you go there, mobilize your people, make them nominate for you. Go there, nominate, meet the criteria, make them nominate for you. When time the open voting, make sure say you vote. Some of the companies wey win for even the big names, if you know, some of them are their strength and the volume of business wey dem do na just give them small edge. If you see the data way of the voting patterns wey some take win, make I talk am now, the award don pass. Company like Skid na just small
the margin,
small margin they take beat company like Etihad Insurance. I'm telling you, because when they called for voting, their customers, their clients, they were voting for them in terms of their. So even me, I not too really bet for this award. I not really too know the Etihad Insurance brokers before in terms of the market. I not really too know them like that. But I can't be surprised. It's when voting that they vote, the voting pattern is this Etihad Insurance broker, which company, who they really be. But surprisingly, where the panel now met for the final and their own vote, plus the data from NAICOM, themselves come they see say, even though they no be like big names, but they are not doing badly at all in terms of volume of business.
Of course.
So they really gave big names like Skip tough time.
Yeah.
So what am I saying? Next year when nomination open, no go realize say I be big name.
Yeah, and I want to say something for those who will come at the 11th hour to start voting. I know, Amon, you will always engage the media.
Yes.
You know, even before nomination starts.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
People should read newspapers, listen to radio. And other, get the information and vote. And even encourage others to vote.
Exactly.
So let it not be as if there's no partiality in this.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything is there in the media.
It's media. It's there open. Companies like those who really participate, like you see the fire, and I happy say Ata Mansa for instance they won.
Yes.
Their clients. Most of them is non-insurance people say now they go online go vote for them. Ata Mansa their client voted for them. Anchor Insurance, surprisingly too, their people voted, but it's just that category where they did na killer category.
Honestly.
As their MD CEO of the year.
Yeah.
They are na killer category. If not, they also But why would they talk all this thing? They say next year 2024 when the nomination open, no say I big.
No, because I give you example here now that a small team can beat. If you see, sorry, I'm not seeing the publicized Chelsea. If you see what they did last,
But you be Chelsea.
Of course I am. If you see what small team did last season, you will pity us. But this time around we are coming up.
Okay, so those way big names and small names where they don't compete for the 2023 awards, no go relax say next year will be big name. It will shock you.
Honestly.
All right, Ushe, make we port to the topic where we want to. So recently, National Insurance Commission NAICOM regulator don't bring the trading issue now. Say all insurance companies must publish for newspapers all the names of people wey they never pay their claims. Make they publish am. Wetin be your thoughts? Trending issue. Hot topic.
I give it to the commissioner, Mr. Thomas. It's one of his strategy of boosting public confidence and trust in the insurance industry.
Okay.
Permit me to give, it's very important. In fact, following the last weekend insurance committee meeting, they hold it every 3 months. Publish details of every unsettled claim in the newspapers. And 2 weeks was given. And it will be followed with 3 months monitoring mechanism, And according to NAICOM, Mr. Salami, who is the communications and market development, he said if after 3 months there's no positive outcome, it will be followed by sanctions. Yes. So that is why all of them need to sit up. I was saying some minutes ago that my father worked with Nigerian Customs Service as chief inspector before he died. And then 2003, I was still in the East. An uncle of mine who was here in Lagos, he bought newspaper this day. I don't forget it, May 3rd, 2003. In his usual way of buying newspaper, he now saw where list or names of deceased customs officer whose next of kin have not come forward for their gratuity and every other thing, entitlement, should come forward. So this is my uncle from the same village, not directly uncle, but from, I call him uncle because from my village. So he bought this paper, saw my father's name, he contacted us. That's why I started pursuing it.
Okay.
So Nigerian Customs Service, let me just give it to them because they did it then because they just want to tell the public that we are not as bad as you think. This is the same thing NAICOM is doing now.
Okay, Uche, but wait, I know say
come for your right and your entitlements.
But sometimes, Uche, the question na be say, no, the problem where if you engage some people for policyholders, the problem no be say dem no dey go.
Okay.
The problem no be say dem no dey go meet insurance company say I wan collect my claim, but insurance company go say documentation e never complete, e never dey okay. So if you go newspaper, you publish my name, and as they come your office every time, you say documentation wey you go need to take settle the claim, e never complete. You go publish my name for newspaper say you never settle my claim. How does it help me as a policy holder? The claim you never still pay me, but you publish my name there and you still dey stress me say documentation no complete.
I did a publication in the Sun newspaper some time ago, impediment towards getting your claims. That's what they call unprintable terms and conditions.
Exactly.
Experience have shown that there are some tiny terms and conditions or hidden terms or inexplicable terms of condition which prospective or potential policyholders do not really understand. That is why it is important. NAICOM have said it. Make everything clear to them. Let them understand. Like some of them will tell you, policyholder, where did I sign this one? I don't understand this one. That is why from the beginning you need to, both the insurer and the insured must understand every terms and condition, letter to letter, word to word. That is one. Two, when policyholders come for claims I think it is it behoves on the operator, the insurers, to show that sense of humanity, empathy, to make every bottleneck removed, so that they can have access to their claims. You know, some of them who have engaged over the time, they will tell us they will rather forget it than to go and follow all
the wahala. In layman's language, all the wahala to take settle the claim. Okay, so now wetin dey bring me back to this question why they ask you Uche, be say, so if regulator now dey say insurance company you must to publish the details of all those wey you never settle their claims, and you no address the main issue of say protocols. All you go just like bank now, if you wan open bank account e dey easy, bring your name, bring this one is okay, but maybe like say you wan collect that money and na big money, dem come say hey, e be like say this your name no correspond with NIMC. Dem go come dey stress you, do this one. Na the same thing wey insurance industry sef dey let policy holder dey face.
I interviewed one of the former chairman of NIA. I told him, because from what I got from the market, they said ordinarily insurance company will find reasons why they will not pay you. That is true gospel. That insurance company will find reasons why they will not pay you, but he don't say no, it's a lie.
Not like that.
You understand? Now let me tell you, back to my father's case. Do you know what I was asked to bring before the token they gave us as my father's gratuity? They asked me for my father started Nigerian Customs Service 1980 May 1st. I was not even born then. So they asked for his appointment letter. They asked for his confirmation letter. They asked for his last promotion letter. They asked, yes, I'm telling you, this is I'm on air. They asked for his last transfer letter. They asked for because he died in active service, a letter, death certificate for National Population Commission. If you see
documentation,
Jesus,
is so now the same. Okay, so now
if not that God really wanted it, I remember I told you after my father's death, it was around up to 10 years before. It happened like 5 years ago. This is 20, how many years now? My father died. So we have already given up because the protocol was too much. Until that man saw my father's name in the newspaper. Customs calling us. Come, oh, let it not be as if we want to eat your father's money. Oh. So I started afresh.
Okay, so wait, Uche, you good now say they use your late father example.
Yes.
Now as customs don't go publish, say okay, come, oh, we know what's up with our money, oh, just as NAICOM now they say insurance company publish those who never settle their claim. Yes. Publish their name for newspaper. Say come, oh, no be say we no want pay you. Oh, see your name here. We don't put your name. Make you come collect your claim. As they don't publish, it make am easy to collect the money.
No, it's a way forward. It's a first step, first thing first. It's a way forward, even though it will not be easy. But that before they got to this point, there has been. They have been transacting business now, so they must know what they have agreed from the beginning.
Okay.
Of course, because in your policy document you have your T and C's. Yes. So you follow those things, and it's always advisable for policyholders to also have advisors.
Insurance brokers.
Yes.
Every time when we come this show now, waiting we they tell people say
engage them for proper counseling.
Yes.
Let them tell you how to go up. Even in the value chain, we have brokers, we have agents, we have loss adjusters, we have other. So get the right persons to advise you very well. Insurance companies ordinarily do not want to frustrate you. They want to really ensure that you are happy, because when a satisfied customer is a plus to the company.
Exactly.
And so they want, that is why recently we told some operators, please, when you pay claims, engage us so that we will publicize it. Let people know that you are really paying claims. Because the problem they are having is Nigerians in particular are saying that they are scammed, that they won't pay. Even some people are saying, when the thing for which you insured, whether your life or property, when that maybe say fire incident didn't happen and the time has elapsed, what happened to all the premium they paid?
na the normal question na wey dem go dey ask say
You know.
dem no go give me something
Yes,
back but dem suppose
yes.
give me, but na the usual way insurance dey operate. But another area wey I wan make you look at briefly before we gbab another break, Uche, be say okay, so this first step now NAICOM don say after 2 weeks you no did the needful, sanction will follow.
3 months monitoring.
3 months monitoring. After that 3 months monitoring, we will now give you sanction. All the sanction wey dem don dey give, what have happen? Because e be like say the every time wey regulator, not just insurance o, for telecom, NCC, bank, CBN, dey say we shall deal with you. E go e dey be like pikin wey dey grow with parents. Every time your papa say if you do this thing, you will see yourself. Next time you will try me, I try this thing again, I will deal with you and nothing go happen. At the point, even if something dey happen, at the point you go just say comot there. Yes, you go come, you go say ma do wetin be that exercise wey dem dey take punish pikin. Put your hand down, raise your leg, close your eyes, kneel down. After some minutes dem go free me. So when regulator don dey threa ten say after the 3 months of monitoring sanction go follow, you think say that one go ginger dem to do wetin dem say make dem do?
We are watching. Industry watchers are watching too. So we want to let us forget the past and see what will happen.
Is this new regime and this new reform?
Yes. Nigerians have been accused of talking. We like to talk. We like to make promises. We like to bag. But at the end of the day, nothing will happen because of some people say in politics, powers that be, and who know who. Just from there, everything will just fizzle out after 2 weeks. But for now, Mr. Thomas, I think since
body language.
Yes, he's serious about it.
This morning we don touch like many things. Also the new instruction now wey the regulator for NAICOM for the insurance industry don give, wey be National Insurance Commission, NAICOM, say all insurance companies wey dey operate for Nigeria here, they must to publish for newspaper all the names of people wey dem never settle their claims. Now the names of people wey dem never settle their claim, e still include the life insurance. So those wey maybe na your papa or na your mama na do the policy, life insurance policy, you don do am since how many years, the person don die, till now dem never settle the money, dem never give the beneficiary the money. All those people na dem say NAICOM don say insurance company oya begin dey publish their names. So you sef wey you no dey read newspaper and you no get, some people na their husband don buy the policy, they have died, they no tell the wife so that the wife no go know say they don arrange life insurance policy. Now the man have die away and the policy, the woman e no even dey aware. So as this new instruction from NAICOM don come to all insurance company now, make all of us sef dey aware, dey check newspaper. If you get somebody, make e check newspaper, so that if you see your loved one, maybe your late father or your late mother or your late husband or your late wife,
even you that have not come for your claims,
that have not
maybe
come for your
something is
claims,
scaring you, something is pushing you out, come forward now.
If you see your name now, come forward to the company and say, here I am, my name is Madam Insurance, I see my name the newspaper that have not come forward, now I've come forward, so that they go tell you wetin you go need to do.
Even in NIA portal, they are going to also upload those
names,
details. Yes, Nigerian Insurance Association, NIA. You know.
So that everybody, so all this one wey dem dey do na say they try to, the operators and the regulators, they try to make the insurance industry better, because all of us wey dey go abroad know say insurance na the surest thing for you to take arrange every, because here we too dey believe say something happen, my uncle, my sister, my this one, but if you get insurance, you no really
need to bother a lot.
You don't really need to
Because
bother anybody.
you have something to fall back on.
You have something where if you fall back or if something happen to you. So all this one way that they do, where the regulator bring now, all these policies now, just to ensure say insurance they work for here as it suppose work, as they work for everywhere else in the world.
Yeah, I just want to go back a little to what we just said some minutes ago. In terms of the protocol, the process, what is involved, I think an appeal should be made to the insurance companies to make the, let me borrow the biblical word, make the yoke of the insured lighter. Because that is what is almost carrying them out, you know. Make it less burdensome so that they can be able to know that yes, we are all together in this.
Okay.
Yes.
There which another thing as we dey comot from studio, another thing wey I still see with us as a people, Nigerians,
okay.
we know they get patient for anything.
Actually,
Allah, we know they get patient.
All of us, yes.
Including me, we know they get. So
yes.
if you just go some company now, they say okay, oh, you go need to bring maybe police report, you go need to go just say abeg auto waiting, I no fit, you go just go. Even me at times go get some things say na later I go come dey say but this thing no really,
it's not too hard to get.
It's not too hard to get, but we are not just wired to be patient to do anything.
Things.
So as we dey advise operators, even we sef policy holders, if you get claim, follow the normal process. If they say bring this thing, the thing no dey hard to get. At least even sometimes we know they even
but
try.
Operators must also spell out every details. Yes.
What they need to do.
Yes.
Alright, so now there we go. Pile come on from studio this morning. Before we go, Mr. Uche Henry will be our colleague from the Sun newspaper, and come touchlight all the trending topic for the insurance industry. Uche,
Wow.
Final words, let's go.
Well, NAICOM decision is a way forward. Operators should sit up. What is worth doing is worth doing well. We all are in the industry to boost confidence and trust of the public. And I want to urge NAICOM, at the end of these 3 months, they should come up and tell the world what they have found out after these 3 months. So companies have done what they're supposed to do, or this one didn't do it. So that the people will know that really my company, I am insuring my product or my life and property are really in my favor or not. Yes, and policyholders on their own, even prospective policyholders, they should ask questions, get all details, understand everything before you sign.
Before you put your signature.
Yeah.
Alright, so my people, by the special grace of God, next week we go show inside studio again, come touchlight another topic. I go try this season, drag one MD of insurance company come this show.
It's very important.
It's very, very important so that they can come and talk it. Yeah. Why the regulator now is saying you must to publish the name of people you don't want to pay their gbese. One CEO, they are hearing me now, still thinking the one that we drag to come to this.
Maybe one of the awardees.
To come and talk about it. Alright, so my name is Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwafeto, looking hot 61805. Until next week, my people, don't forget to follow me, my IG insurance_madam, our company, Almond Finance. Until then, make una get better day. Bye bye.
E dey illegal if you carry your motor put for road when you no get enough insurance. Everybody wey get motor must to get third-party insurance. If you get accident for road, third-party insurance na wetin go cover person wey you jam. Dis message na from the National Insurance Commission, NAICOM, for better insurance industry for we Nigeria.